There was a boy, a certain strange enchanted boy. They said he traveled very far, over land and sea. A little shy, but sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. And as he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest joy you will ever learn is to love and be loved in return. There was a boy, a certain strange enchanted boy. They said he traveled very far, over land and sea. A little shy, sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, one magic day, he came my way. And as he spoke of many things, enchanted boy. They said he traveled very far, over land and sea. A little shy, and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, when magic day, he came my way. And as he spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said: the greatest joy you will ever learn is to love and be loved in return. Charles!